G'day! Welcome to another curriculum burst. Here's a curious geometry question for the lower high school grades. It goes as follows. Convex quadrilateral ABCD has AB equals 9 and CD equals 12. Okay, right away I have to start drawing a picture. So we've got this convex quadrilateral. So quadrilateral that bulges out. A, B, C, D. Keep the order consistent. It has AB is 9, okay, and CD is 12. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at E. All right, so what's the diagonals? AC and BD intersect at E. Okay, hello E. Now what? AC is 14. All right, so this whole length is 14. I'm a little bit nervous to write 14. I'm not sure where I'm going to write the 14. Keep that in mind, that's 14. Triangle AED, oh, it's geometry, it gets very hard to read. Triangle AED, this triangle, and triangles B, E, and C, okay, these two triangles have equal areas. How am I going to mark that? Well, okay, I'll just shade them in. To me, shading now means same area, all right? What is AE? Where's AE? What is this length? Okay, let's call that A inches or something. Okay, so I remember that was 14, so this is going to be 14 minus A for the rest of it. Don't know if that's helpful or not, but there it is. That's the question. That's the setup of the question, and our job is to find the value of A. All right, okay, great. Now what? Equal areas, that's strange. You know what, I don't have a clue what to do. So I think the thing, what I really don't know what to do is strategy number 2 is do something. Let's just flail to the heavens, because I have no idea what to go here. I guess the juicy part of this question is these have equal areas. That means half base times height is the same for these guys. So if I drew the height of this triangle, I don't know, I'll call that H or something, and drew the height of this triangle, S, I guess I know that half base times height, half S times A equals half base times height, half H times 14 minus A. Double both sides, get rid of the halves. So I'll learn that SA plus 14 equals 14H minus AH. Ugh, don't know if that's helpful, but there's something. Actually, I don't know if that's helpful at all. I'm trying to get to what A is. It's got too many variables in it. Well, actually, if I look at this H, I actually see it's the height of this triangle as well. So actually, the area of this triangle, the area of this triangle is shaded plus blank. Oh no, I don't know what I'm doing. Ugh. Oh yeah, but the area of that triangle, you can see, is half 14, that base is 14 times H. So half 14 times H is the area of this triangle, I don't know, ABC. So 7H is the area of triangle ABC. Don't know if that's helpful. Actually, I don't know if that's helpful at all. I can do the same thing for this triangle too. Actually, my brain was seeing something a moment ago. For example, I'm seeing all these overlapping triangles. For example, this is a big overlapping triangle too, has its own height, and its area is this unshaded part plus shaded. And compared to, in fact, if I use that as a base, if I use actually this is good. I've never used 12 yet. Let's use 12 as a base, and I see this triangle, and I see this triangle, and they have equal areas. Shaded plus blank is the area of this triangle, and the area of this triangle is also shaded, equal shaded plus same blank. These two triangles are the same area, so maybe not focus on those H's. So obviously I'm floundering in this question, just doing something. Strategy number 2, do something. Here's a height, I'll call it P. Here's a height, I'll call it Q. I know that half 12 times P is the same area as half 12 times Q. Oh, P equals Q. P equals Q. That is feeling significant to me. Oh, that's feeling very significant to me. This length equals that length. And they're parallel because of these 90-degree angles here. What same side interior angles adding up to 180 or something. This is actually a parallelogram. It's actually, it's a parallelogram. Parallel sides. They're already parallel. This guy is parallel to that guy. Is that helpful? Well, it feels like that has to be helpful. That feels significant to me. I mean, this felt flaily to me, but that feels significant. I bet with parallel lines going on, it makes me think of alternate interior angles and corresponding angles and all that stuff. Once you've got angles and triangles going on, it makes me feel like there's similar triangles going on. I feel there's a whole slew of mathematics now in this problem that might actually get me to the point where I can work out what A is. All right, fabulous. Now it feels hopeful. Now I'm actually going to do the work. In fact, I invite you to do the work. see if you can get through this now and get a value for A. And when you do, compare your answer with my answer in the essay that goes in this video. This is a clever problem. All right, that was a lot of fun. Try it out, see what you get, and then we'll compare answers. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. For more curriculum inspirations material, go to our website. Lots of great stuff there.